In this assignment, we choose an umbrella as a product. An umbrella is designed to protect us from the rain. An umbrella is also designed to protect us from the harmful effects of the sun. The umbrella could be considered the very first sunblock, invented solely to prevent sunburn, wrinkles, and skin aging. One such hazard is ultraviolet rays, which are harmful, but which now constantly enter our atmosphere because of unfortunate factors such as the depletion of the ozone layer. Umbrellas have promptly risen to this occasion. Umbrella can also be used as a walking stick. An umbrella with a sharp, pointed metal tip at its base makes for a good, basic weapon for use in many types of self-defense. Umbrellas are also portable, lightweight, and easily transportable from place to place, as well as they are pretty affordable. Umbrella is made up of polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, is an aliphatic polyester. It has a semi-crystalline form when stable. It is used in everyday items and easily recyclable. It shows resistance to impact, moisture, alcohols, and solvents. PET is among those plastics which are an important part of our everyday life. We find the polymer used in packaging, fabrics, film, to molded parts for automotive, electronics, and many more. For all the applications demanding lightweight and impact-resistant material, PET is of our choice. Also, do not forget, PET is one of the most recycled thermoplastic as well.
Polyethylene terephthalate is very strong and lightweight, easy and efficient to transport. It exhibits excellent electrical insulator properties. It has low gas permeability, and particularly with carbon dioxide. It does not break or fracture. Polyethylene terephthalate is recyclable and transparent to microwave radiation, and it is also approved as safe for contact with food and beverages. PET chemical properties is such as excellent resistant to alcohol, oil, grease, and diluted acid. Next, it is also moderately resistant to diluted alkalis, aromatic, and halogenated hydrocarbon. These are the examples of application for polyethylene terephthalate, which are the synthetic rope, plastic bottle, fruit container, microwavable trays, and also synthetic carpet.
PET is produced by the polymerization of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Ethylene glycol is a colorless liquid obtained from ethylene, and terephthalic acid is a crystalline solid obtained from xylene. When heated together under the influence of chemical catalysts, ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid produce PET in the form of a molten, viscous mass that can be spun directly to fibrous or solidified for later processing as a plastic. In chemical terms, ethylene glycol is a diol, an alcohol with a molecular structure that contains two hydroxyl groups, and terephthalic acid is a dicarboxylic aromatic acid, an acid with a molecular structure that contains a large six-sided carbon ring and two carboxyl groups. Under the influence of heat and catalyze, the hydroxyl and carboxyl groups react to form ester groups, which serve as the chemical links joining multiple PET units together into long-chain polymers. Water is also produced as a byproduct. The overall reaction can be represented as follows.
The first step is the production of umbrella bond. Next is the edging and cutting step. After cutting, we sew the fabrics together to form the shape of an umbrella. Next, we shrink the umbrella to sew the umbrella bond and the fabrics together. The final and the most important step is to test the quality of the long umbrella.
Next is entrepreneurship ideas. For target customer, umbrella is suitable for all range age. It also suitable for students that have no transport, as the function of umbrella to protect people from heat and rains. Next, for costing, each umbrella prices is depend on the quantity, printing and materials. Most umbrellas cost between 13 to 28 ringgit Malaysia. Lastly, for marketing, we can promote our umbrella through online and offline. For online, we can post it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and website. For offline, we can make it available around university for student so that the student can easily get umbrella.